Hey guys, so you're trying to download an app from the Microsoft Store, but the Get button is grayed out and it says this app will not work on your device. Super annoying, right? Well, don't worry. I've got a quick and easy fix that'll get you past this issue in just a few steps. Let's get into it. The Get button is you see a message saying this app will not work on your device, unclickable. No matter what you do, you just can't install the app. This usually happens because of region restrictions, meaning the Microsoft Store thinks the app isn't available for your location, even if your PC meets all the requirements. Here's how to fix it. Change your region to the United States, open settings and time and language, and then region. Under country or region, select the United States. After changing the region, open the Microsoft Store again. Search for the app again. The Get button should now be blue instead of gray. Click it and install the app like normal. That's it. Now you can install your app without any issues.